Hey guys, Tim McAmis here in my office. Wanted to give you an update on a product that we had on our website. About 4 or 5 weeks ago, I introduced this quick release hub that was made by Momo, which is an excellent manufactured piece. We've sold several of them, and we've put them on cars we've had in-house here. But last night, about 6 o'clock, we were notified by a customer that had purchased one of these. And he was telling us about a potential mechanical issue that could be had with this part. So with that, we followed up with him and got some more information. And once we understood what he was talking about, we thought it would be prudent to notify everybody in a timely manner about that there could be a potential risk with this. So we had the guys stay late last night, and they contacted all of the customers that we had sold these to. And we want to bring these things back in there because we've contacted the manufacturer. I talked to them this morning, told them about the potential issue. They're on top of it. They're aware of it. They're doing their investigation on their end. But in the meantime, until we can get some solid information from them, we want to call these parts back in and not run them on any cars. So if you had purchased one of these from us, you've probably already heard from our guys, who we've contacted everybody that had purchase history with this, about sending this back and letting us replace it with another component that will be just as good as this part, but is a little more proven. This is a new part to the market, so obviously anytime that happens, there could be things that need to be addressed on it. It is SFI certified, and I was told by the manufacturer that it's FIA certified too, so it's got 2 certifications on it. But still, that doesn't preclude it from having some mechanical issues. So safety is obviously at the top of our list for everything that we do and everything that we sell. So we want you guys to be aware of this. If there's anything that we are feeling a little uneasy about, we want to notify you. That's why I'm doing this follow-up video. So if you've watched the other video or know anybody that may have, or you're interested in these kind of parts, because these don't have to be purchased from us. I mean, they can be purchased anywhere. So if there's an issue, we want you to be aware of it. During our process of contacting our customers, we did find one more customer that had the same issue. So that kind of guaranteed our thought process that we were concerned about bringing these back. It just solidified that fact. So again, there could be a issue where this could come released during the run. So we do not want you to run this. Okay, we want this brought back in here. We want to send it back to the manufacturer, let them do their engineering work on it, let them tell them about the problem. But we want to replace that with something else that you can use that's excellent quality too. So again, do not run this. If you bought it from us and you haven't been in contact with us verbally, some people we've had to leave messages for. So call us up. We'll tell you what's going on. We'll get you something else. Doesn't matter if you're on the way to the racetrack or not. Don't take a chance and run this. We can't tell you enough that we want to stress the importance of this being taken care of immediately. So we just found out about this last night. We spent most of the evening contacting customers, and we think we've got everybody covered. If you know somebody that may have purchased this from another company, talk to them about it too. So we definitely want to be ahead of this and make sure that there are no issues. So you can call us up, ask us questions, let us know what you got. But we will, if you purchase one of these from us, we will get that replacement to you right away and get you back on the road. So call us at any time. Again, we thank you for your business, and we want you guys to be safe. And we want to, if there's a concern for any part that we have on our website, we want you guys to know about it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll be in touch soon.